A big hello to my YouTube family. Today I am going to make a very fresh, delicious drink which is filled with healthy ingredients, healthy fruits like oranges, carrots chopped into small pieces as this, and pomegranate. I have taken 2 big size. Before grinding, we will add half glass of water in carrot to get the liquidy form while it grinds. And these are oranges which have been grinded in the strainer, big one. You can just do it. This is a natural process. There is a machine too which I will be unboxing it and showing you in that too very soon. But this is normally how I make and prefer to do. So one by one I have taken, and the waste which is left over that I will throw into the bin. One day a juice of glass increases the immunity of any person, so it's very good to have in this kind of pandemic situation during the viruses which is going on in the world. So it's good for your health to have it, especially the fresh one which is made at your home. You can see the natural color. Very beautiful it had turned out. So this was the last fruit which I had grinded it. Using the spoon you can flush out the juice. Now the last thing which is left is adding the black pepper, half tablespoon, and half tablespoon of salt, so that your throat do not get infected by the cold juice. So now it's serving time in a juice glass. This is how you can enjoy your drink. You can have it with sandwiches or just roughly just drink it. Do try out and share your views, and share that how do you make at your home and which are the fruits that you use. All of them are very good, vitamin C. So you don't have to take tablets of vitamin C. You can have naturally homemade things. I hope you like this sweet little video. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.